You know how I burp in every video?
Start talking now. Start talking now.
Hi, it's great.
It started recording late for some reason.
Then let's just take another video.
No, it's alright. We're goofballs anyways. It's Brandon too, and we're at Middletown High School. Pretty lame.
Middletown.
And we're
you know how I burp in, sorry. You know how I burp in like every single video almost? Well, this video is just gonna be me burping. I wanna see if I can do it.
Let it out there.
Dang it, that was puny.
Oh. She just...
Dang it. That's just making my stomach hurt. Just swallowing air.
You're swallowing it.
I have an air baby.
Sorry, no, I'm just kidding. I think no, that's not my mom. I don't think. Yes. Hey, you guys want to see something? See her hairy balls? Hairy balls. Hairy balls. Boop. Boop. Ooh, you're looking like a racist balls. Oh. That's what I say.
I need to hurry up and try and burp, bro.
Alright, hang on. I thought I had a burp.
No.
Dude, you're weak.
No, wait for it. That's still weak.
That's so funny how you can just make... Hang on. Hey girls, that's my specialty.
Oh, I look pretty today. Do I look gothic?
No,
Is that your mom out there in the red car?
Don't drive a red car. Act like you're pregnant. So attractive, huh, guys? Dude, hang on, wait for it. Oh, that was silent. Alright, well, I think my madre's here, so bye.